Hello, everyone. Today, we will practice English using the shadowing technique. First, listen to the story. Then, repeat after me. Let's start.
Sarah is at the clothes shop today. She wants a new shirt and a blue hat. She sees a beautiful red shirt. She asks the shop assistant, "Excuse me, how much is this shirt?" The assistant says, "It is cheap. It is only $15. Sarah likes the price. Then she looks at a blue hat. It is very expensive. It is $80. Sarah only has $50 in her wallet. She says, "I will take the shirt, please." She pays the money and leaves the shop happy. Sarah is at the clothes shop today. Repeat after me. Sarah is at the clothes shop today. Again, Sarah is at the clothes shop today. She wants a new shirt and a blue hat. Repeat after me. She wants a new shirt and a blue hat. She asked the shop assistant, "How much is this shirt?" Repeat after me. How much is this shirt? Again. How much is this shirt? It is cheap. It is only $15. Repeat after me. It is cheap. It is only $15. Again. It is cheap. It is only $15. It is very expensive. It is $80. Repeat after me. It is very expensive. It is $80. Again. It is very expensive. It is $80. Sarah only has $50 in her wallet. Repeat after me. Sarah only has $50 in her wallet. Again. Sarah only has $50 in her wallet.